Have you taken your Cat engine and upgraded the turbocharger, maybe a marine cam, bigger fuel injectors, you got a tune in it, maybe a high performance manifold? Then our Stage 3 head is just the head you're looking for. And we've upgraded all the valves in this head to Inconel material. Inconel is going to handle more heat and more pressure than your standard valves, most commonly used in racing in turbocharged, supercharged, and boosted applications. Our Stage 3 head builds off a strong foundation, increased coolant flow in our castings. We've got higher nickel content. It's going to be much improved over the original Caterpillar casting. When a standard valve is pushed beyond its capabilities, both temperature and pressure, the end result is what they call a chordal fracture. This is why we upgrade the valves in our Performance Series head. Both the Stage 2, 3, and 4 will utilize Inconel material in the valves, resulting in a stronger, more robust, longer lasting cylinder head. It fits all your 3406E, C15, and C15 Acert engines. To give you that security, you've invested all this money in this engine. Let's give you the security that you need, that your head's going to hold up and it's going to handle the horsepower above and beyond that you've created with your turbocharger, your fuel injectors, your camshaft, your manifold. This cylinder head is going to give you some peace of mind that your investment is going to stay together without problems. And that's our Stage 3 cylinder head. So get your Stage 3 cylinder head today at Highway and Heavy Parts. If you've got questions or comments, give us a shout. You can talk to me or one of the other service techs at Highway and Heavy Parts at 844-447-1453. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.